J Nation. So today, as you see, I'm vlogging, and I'm about to go to the mall. Y'all see my hair looking a mess. My hair's super curly, but I'm gonna go to the mall with my aunt. She's gonna get her eyebrows threaded and some other stuff. But see you at the mall. I might do 2 buns. But see you at the mall. We're at the dentist. My aunt had to.
I can vlog too. Like my video.
My aunt has a dentist appointment.
Yeah, we're we're at the It's not funny. Okay, we're vlogging.
Then what mall are we going up? We're going to 3 different malls.
No,
Montgomery.
we're going to 2. We're going to
3.
2.
We in Montgomery, Silver Spring.
Yeah, we're going to.
I don't know.
Nails are awful. Oh
No, they've been awful. So, on me.
Look at her hair. Look at her hair.
No, don't you
Yeah.
dare, Camille.
So yeah, we're vlogging. She's vlogging. She's copying me.
No.
And see, cause yeah, we're
But,
vlogging.
So we came too early.
Just came too early. She canceled.
We came too early. That's you canceled or you came too early? Oh, so we canceled the dentist.
Amari, you sucking vlogging.
No, I just
Where's
can't
your
see. Okay, we're going to Silver Spring.
Oh, so
Hold on. It was?
I think it hopped in.
Oh. Have mercy.
Okay, so we're having tomorrow at 12:40.
Okay, so
That's
we're going.
because I don't have nothing to do tomorrow.
We're going to the mall, to Silver Spring Mall first, and then.
I was about to say, Lord.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's get information. You know you that when you bow out.
Run.
Okay. 7.
I'll be looking forward a weekend.
Those
True,
ladies
What?
true.
at the mall with the they're gonna ask me how long I was. They're gonna ask me.
Cause you look
Because
7. I mean 8.
people were asking me.
We're in the mall. Oh my gosh, you in these escalators.
Why you don't like escalators?
She's scared of them. I don't know
Why?
why. Why are you scared of them?
Why are you scared of that?
It's just you're vlogging. I'm not about to tell you this.
Okay, I'll crop it out.
No.
I'll edit it out, I promise.
You edit it
I don't
out.
care.
Okay.
Don't put me on video. I look a hot mess.
Yeah.
Oh, this is store. What is this, Forever 21?
Yeah.
I love Forever 21.
It's okay.
I love it.
I love it. I
Feels
want,
good in here.
I want some new.
I know.
Smells like love.
I'm getting a lot of clothes from Forever 21.
I want some purple too.
Yeah, lucky. I get to wear whatever I want. We gotta wear some dumb uniforms. The only thing we can wear is our shoes, and it has to be all black.
That's why you have all these black shoes.
I like wearing You split again. Oh my gosh, Amari.
I don't care. We're at the hair cuttery. We're at hair cuttery. She's getting her tracks cut. We just had Auntie Annie's, and then so yeah. Say it in the last thing. Then we have to wait an hour for the nails. So yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Camille channel will be down in the description box below.
Oh yeah, I forgot to. We're at the hair salon. We were waiting on my aunt, and we was waiting on her to get her hair done. She got it done, and then now we came back here. It was a whole hour before she had to go
Yeah.
here. So we went out and went somewhere, got some Auntie Anne's, came back here, and now we're waiting on.
To get her nails done. Then after that,
nails done.
we're gonna pick up our little cousins.
Our little cousins,
And then we're going to the next mall. Yeah.
2 more malls, and then we're going somewhere else.
I think we're going to Montgomery because it's closer.
And then, yeah.
So see ya.
See ya.
We're at the mall. I mean, y'all know we at the mall, but come on. Hey. But we're my aunt is at the nail salon. It's taking forever, so we just decided to go. So I'm looking for some contact lens solution. So we just about to look at Marshalls, which I doubt very bad.
That's a die.
But
That's about to die.
yeah, we gotta look in here. I doubt it, cause
about to die.
it's Marshalls, you know. Okay, yeah, let's. I don't know. So guys, we're at the Montgomery Mall. My aunt's getting her eyebrows done, and we're gonna walk to Sears, and then we're gonna go get something to eat.
We don't know where to eat though. We don't know where we're eating though.
Yeah.
We're vlogging.
Yeah. We finally just got home. I can't record a lot because I can't talk a lot because my phone is gonna die. But we got home. We eating right now. We had Panda Express. But yeah, guys, you already know. If you like this vlog, please comment, subscribe, like, and share. If you didn't, you already know. We don't care. Share, comment, subscribe, and like. But I'm gonna get a shower when I'm done eating. So yeah, and Jenny, see you in the next video. Peace.